We came after 2 weeks. And the garden looks nice. The Tecoma is really big now. You can see how big it is. Lovely bell-shaped flowers. The yellow Tecoma. There are small honeybees here. And this absolutely beautiful red hibiscus. How different the buds look. These grow as big clusters. I think this has been almost around 9 months since we planted this tree, and it has grown quite big. This bougainvillea I had painted, and then there was an, I think, insect situation, after which we cut it down short. It needs to be pruned even more so that it doesn't die. It's flowering again, but the leaves are not as healthy as we want them to be. That's a Noyantara. This is another bougainvillea variant. This is Kari Patta. It's growing quite well. This is one lovely hibiscus again. It's a new one. This is orange gorgeous Tecoma and beautiful alamunda. This is one of the first plants I painted. You can see how beautiful it is. It's growing absolutely beautifully. I love the combination of yellow, orange and red. This Madhavilota is growing. There were many flowers, but right now it seems to be taking a break. The roses. So this is the garden part which is attached to the house. This is my husband's ancestral house. These are the outdoor toilets and the storeroom. We had this swing set up so that it acts also as a almost like a jungle gym which you can climb. It's like a small version of it. And this slip, though it looks small, it actually can bear adult weight too. We have tried. This one is called Sthalopoddo. That's like, I don't know what's it called in English. But the beauty of it is early part, it is really this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous white. And then gradually it turns into this white pink color. Can you see how absolutely beautiful it is? There is Jagadhatri Pujo celebration being wound up here, and at the end of it there is this beautiful lotus colored. That's the lotus pink color. It happens as the flower kind of comes to the end of its lifetime. So you can see the change in color. This papaya tree is plenty big now. These are the dragon fruits. They are not growing as well as we expect them to. This is a lemon tree, moringa. We have another moringa. So there are two moringas. That's my daughter on the swing. This is the back part of the house where we have a small kitchen garden also. These are roses. This is musanda. That's a nice nook full of tulsi. This is another plant we are waiting for it to bloom. This is togor. This is tulsi. A beautiful deep peach rose. It's a bud now. And this is the beautiful tulsi. This is the back. And we enter the kitchen garden. We have planted dhania, this coriander. You can see. I have forgotten what we had planted here. Everything looks just gorgeous. This is spinach, palang. These are baby plants growing. Bay leaf plant. The pumpkin plant is all dried up now, and we have 2 pumpkins. Can you see? 1 and 2. So these were some plants planted by my daughter and her friends. Again, there are coriander, and they had also planted, I think, radish and spinach again. We have a guava tree, and this is a banana grove. We have planted some lady's finger here and flat beans there. And this is an adjoining property, and it looks absolutely beautifully green. The butterfly. And these are radishes. There are going to be plenty of radish this season. You can see how beautiful they look. And my chilies. Don't they look lovely? This is another variety. The red ones.